Here's my new crew now. They got Dr. Don Hoffman in here, University of California, Irvine.
Local realism almost. I mean, I know that we're talking outside, but you're saying that this lies outside of space-time, but it seems like the implication is that there are regional interrelationships that then can be modeled as having a specific set of interactions, and that specific set of interactions is massive. Like you're saying that it has all of these mathematical dimensions to it that means, for as far as I can understand, that from any given point inside of this matrix, you can get to a lot of different locations depending on the mathematical operation that you perform. Is that?
That's right. Yeah, I would say so. But in terms of local realism, so local realism in physics, right, is the claim that well, realism is the claim that particles have definite values of their properties like position, momentum, and spin when they're not observed. And locality is the claim that particles have their properties have influences that propagate no faster than the speed of light through space. And the Nobel Prize in Physics last year was given for experiments by John Clauser, Alan Aspect, and Anton Zeilinger, who over decades showed pretty strong evidence, empirically strong enough for the Nobel Committee, that tend to make us think that local realism is false. So it's false that an electron has a position when it's not observed, or definite value of its momentum, or so forth. And so now, so your question was, if I propose something like local realism, that there's some kind of reality. So our theory is completely compatible with what the Nobel Prize Committee just gave the prize for, which is that for physical properties, local realism is false. All physical properties are not there, position, momentum, spin, and so forth, have no definite values when they're not observed. Because again, our conscious agent dynamics are not physical particles. They don't have a momentum, they don't have a position, they don't have a spin. They're not physical. So they're entirely outside of the very language of space-time, including the language of position, momentum, and spin, and so forth. But that dynamics projects into space-time. I should say, that's what we're working on. This map with decorated permutations is us trying to get the map into space-time. So the idea would be that the reason why local realism is false inside space-time is that space-time is a tiny, trivial projection of a much more complicated universe of conscious agents outside of it. So it's only when. So the way I think about it is, Twitter.
Are you trying to say that there is the spirit world and heaven and hell and life outside of death? You probably won't go that far to claim that, because y'all don't have the balls to claim such things. You would probably say it's still separate. But apparently, you're trying to say these are the ghosts. Are you looking for the ghost realm? Or is there a demon realm? Or these demons that we call them? Maybe they're just other life forms that's ready to come in here and wipe out the humans, like they did in 1167 BC. The sea people. Did this portal open up? They keep talking about this portal of consciousness. They're trying to open up the portal of consciousness. I don't believe there's any portals of consciousness. Consciousness is what it is. Okay. Now you might be right about there's conscious entity outside of this physical realm. Then what would we call them? Ghosts, spirits, demons, angels, gods. What will we call them?